Herbal family, give thanks. Yeah, man, give thanks for the way how we can connect. You know, some of us, we don't have a big family, but this platform is like family, you know. So, yeah, welcome to the Herbal Laws YouTube channel. Yeah, where I plant herb for teas and also vegetables. Yeah, so in today's video I'm just giving you an update on previous things that I did, like planting a breadfruit tree, and so far it looks good, you know, look beautiful. Yeah, in the same container, which is a old stove. And I always say to people, use what you have. You know, you might not have the perfect soil, yeah, but if you have a container, use it. And this is a stove. And in this stove, I plant a breadfruit tree. Yeah, around it, I plant fever grass. You know, the same lemon grass, yeah, and also vervain plant. Yeah, and then I stick a one, you know, pop choy in the same pot. Yeah, you know. So I choose to use what I have. This is also a old bath, you know, so I had some okra inside this bath. You know, I use a tire to plant a ackee tree, and also have a papaya tree inside of it. Yeah, man. So I say, use what you have. Yeah, so in a recent video, I planted some tomato. Yeah, and this one looking good so far. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. I'd replanted this oregano plant and it's looking so good. Yeah, man, my rosemary plant looking good. Yeah, man. Yeah, I also did a video some time ago where I had a sage plant and it died, you know, and I got back a small sage plant, you know, and this is what it looks like so far. Yeah, man, my tarragon plant, I reap tarragon recently. Yeah, my marjoram plant, I reap marjoram recently. Black mint, I reap black mint recently. Yeah, and oregano. So this is a different type of oregano from this one. Yeah, but both of them have their own flavor. Yeah, and can use to spice in your meals or your dishes. Also have a rosemary plant here that doing very well. Right here I have my fresh cut plant, and I did a video some time ago and say fresh cut, it can use, like if you get a cut or a bruise, yeah, man, you can pound it up and put on that cut and bruise and it will heal. I plant some tomato here, you know, some of them are struggling. Yeah, some of them are struggling, but I still, you know, still have to have patience with them, give them a little TLC and stuff like that. Yeah, I have my lemongrass here, fever grass. Yeah, I like this type of herb, you know, so I stick it every little where I get the chance. And then I have my vervain, bigger vervain plant here. Yeah, also in this garden here I also have my ram goat dashalam. Yeah man, my ram goat dashalam. Yeah, my orange tree is looking so nice. Wow. See a one orange on it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah man, one orange on it, you know. Hope this one orange can come to fruition. Yeah man. So as I said, this is just an update. Yeah, tamarind tree did well this time around this season, you know. Yeah man, and the tamarind them taste so good. Yeah man, them taste so good. Did very well this time around. They did very well this time around. Very well this time around. Yeah. So Irie man, Irie. Yeah. Irie. Sour. But Irie. Yeah. Sometimes the taste bud lead a little sourness in it. Yeah. So that's it for today. That's a little update. Yeah man, so as I said, I am grateful for this platform where we can connect as family. You know, when you comment on the video, yeah, it shows that we are connecting, we are communicating. So put out your comments, share your ideas, share your views, your opinions are all accepted. Yeah man, herbal laws. See you in another one. Yeah man, peace.